You're staring at your phone right now because something in you is quietly broken. Not loud, not dramatic, just missing. And the worst part? Other people can already feel it on you before you ever say a word. You think confidence is about being loud. Wrong. Confidence is about what you don't tolerate anymore. And right now, your life is quietly full of things you keep tolerating. Here's the first habit. You stop breaking tiny promises to yourself. You say you'll wake up at 6. You don't. You say you'll leave. You stay. You say this is the last time. It never is. Every broken promise doesn't just disappoint you. It teaches your nervous system one brutal lesson. I can't be trusted. And once you teach your brain that, it will never give you real confidence again. Start painfully small, one promise per day. So easy it feels stupid. And then you keep it. Not for growth. Not for discipline. For identity repair. Second habit. You remove one source of silent self-disrespect. Not the dramatic ones, the quiet ones. The conversation where you shrink. The scrolling that makes you feel behind. The situations where you fake comfort just to avoid conflict. Confidence doesn't die in explosions. It leaks out through tiny daily humiliations you pretend don't matter. Pick one single leak, and shut it down. Not loudly. Not with explanations. With quiet final behavior change. That alone will make people feel a shift in you, without you ever announcing it. Third habit. You let yourself be seen failing at something new. This is the one you avoid the most. You hide until you're ready. You wait until you're better. You perfect in silence. But confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from surviving exposure. Every time you're seen trying and not collapsing, your brain rewrites what danger actually is. And suddenly rejection loses its teeth. Here's the part people don't tell you. These 3 habits won't make you feel powerful right away. At first, they'll make you feel exposed, awkward, unprotected. That's the withdrawal. That's your old identity noticing it's losing control. Most people quit right there, and then they call it personality. But if you stay, something strange starts happening. Your voice slows down. Your stare lasts longer. Your tolerance for nonsense disappears. People interrupt you less. You explain yourself less. You chase less. Not because you're trying, but because you finally stopped betraying yourself in private. And here's the real twist. Confidence isn't loud. It doesn't flex. It doesn't announce. It just walks into a room and makes excuses feel uncomfortable. And the wild part? The moment you stop needing to prove it, that's the exact moment everyone else starts feeling it. So if you're still wondering what's been missing, it was never motivation. It was never genetics. It was never luck. It was the quiet daily vote you kept casting against your own self-respect. And now you finally know.